In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat. Editing text within a PDF might seem a bit daunting at first, but with just a few steps, you will gain the confidence to make your documents look exactly the way you want them to. Let's begin by opening Adobe Acrobat. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice two primary options: Create or Recent Work. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a document that you've recently worked on and wish to edit. So, go ahead and click on Recent Work. This action will direct you to the list of documents you've worked on lately, making it easy to select the specific file you have in mind. Now, once you've opened your desired document, the real task begins. Simply browse through your document and locate the text area you wish to edit. Adobe Acrobat has made this process quite intuitive, allowing you to click directly on the text you want to modify. When you direct your cursor over the text, you'll notice that the program will automatically highlight the selectable areas, indicating that the text is ready for editing. Now that you've identified the text, your next step is to navigate to the Tools menu. Look for the option labeled Edit and click there. This feature is a powerhouse for modifying your text, allowing you to change not just the wording, but also the overall appearance. Imagine you're redesigning a mini ad or wanting to emphasize a particular section. Adobe Acrobat makes it extremely versatile. If you need to change fonts or resize the text, you're in the right place. Within the Edit menu, you'll find a variety of options. You can adjust the font type to better fit the tone of your document, perhaps switching to a more professional or modern style. It doesn't stop there. Resizing the text is equally straightforward, so feel free to make the text larger or smaller based on your needs. This simple editing tool empowers you to manage your PDF's text as if you were working within a word processor. Keep in mind, though, that while Adobe Acrobat provides robust editing capabilities, it's always good practice to double-check your changes for any spacing or alignment issues that might arise from significant text alterations. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully edited text within a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Remember, the more you experiment with these steps, the more comfortable you'll become, unlocking a world of possibilities for all your document needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!